In this tutorial, I will explain how to submit requests for quotes, RFQs. Start off by making sure you have successfully set up for trading. You can watch the Setting Up for Trading video if you haven't. Once everything is set up, you can go to the Trade tab. In the Trade tab, you can see all of the live market data for private market, spot XBT, and spot FX. Select the currency you wish to trade. On the right side of the terminal, the quote request window is then shown. Here you can select which product you wish to buy and which to sell. You can then enter the quantity of the product you wish to trade. And if you're trading Bitcoin, then on the settlement details you can decide which inputs you wish to use. And this is true for both selling and buying. Once you're done, you can submit the RFQ and wait for a response. The dealers will have up to 30 seconds to bid, and after that, the best bid will be presented to you. By clicking Details, you can get further information about the transaction and see that the authentication matched up. It is possible to change settings so that the detailed settlement window is shown by default. Once both parties successfully verify with their password, the transaction will be broadcasted to the blockchain miners. After 6 confirmations, the transaction is complete and BlockSettle transfers the cash. And if you're trading Bitcoin, then under settlement details, you can decide which addresses you wish to use. And this is true both for buying and selling.